Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel, Mikey's Automotive. Hola, bienvenidos todos a mi canal, Mikey's Automotive. Alright guys, so today we have the auto key programmer IK618. Now this is a small, compact key programming machine and diagnostic machine at the same time. Okay, you guys? It's a small tablet, okay, powered by Android, you guys. It's really small. It's perfect for people that don't like to carry a lot of stuff. You know, this is it. This is the thing for you, you guys. It can do EEPROM. Okay, you can, like I said, program keys. You can do. It has a new diagnostic features and functions, you guys. Okay, to do the oil reset, you can do the airbag reset. You can do the electronic park brake reset. Okay, there's a lot of functions that this little tablet does, you guys, that other tablets on the market cannot do, and that's the diagnostics, the key programming, and the EEPROM, you guys, all together, you guys, in this small, compact little tablet. If you guys see in my past video about the VT00 diagnostic tool, this tool can do everything that tool does and more, which is programming keys. It does basically it can do basically everything the Pad 3 SE can do. It comes with the KC100. You can see all the functions that it comes here for OBD. Okay, we have all the connections. It has a charger. Okay, everything comes inside this small, compact little case. Perfect for anybody who doesn't like to be carrying big, bulky stuff. Okay, this is our package list. So my favorite thing about this programmer is that it's able to read the modules and give you all the faults for the existing codes that it has, if it's on the airbags, if it's on the ABS. Okay, whatever module the vehicle has, this little small tablet can read that module directly and tell you what code it is, and you're able to erase it if you're able to fix it. Okay, if it's a permanent code, you got to fix it. And like I said, it comes with the KC100 programmer. Okay, this for like BMW, okay, Jetta, any key that you got to pre-code, you can pre-code it with the KC100. And it comes with this. Okay, perfect, you guys. Basically, it's the Pad 3 in a small, compact version. Okay, the Pad 3 SE, same tool, same software, Xtool. Okay, but in a smaller package, you guys. Kind of like the Auto Pro Pad Basic and the Auto Pro Pad Turbo. Okay, so this is what it comes with. Okay, these are all the adapters for EEPROM. You guys can also use the CAN FD with the new updates that you can do the CAN FD systems. I believe you can also use the KC501 programming adapter, coding adapter. Okay, for the Pad 3, for the Auto Pro Pad Turbo, you can use the KC501. Me, I mostly do it for key programming. It's better than carrying any bigger bulky programmer. It really dominates the domestic and Asian vehicles more than European, like BMW, Volkswagen, Audi. For if you're leaning towards that side of programming vehicles, then you might want to look into getting the Autel IM608 Pro, which is to me the number one programmer that does it all, EEPROM, everything. Okay. All right, guys. So like I mentioned, if you guys are doing mechanic work, programming keys, this is a programmer for you. Okay, if you're a mechanic and you're doing more diagnostic sides, you also want to lean a little bit towards programming keys, this is the programmer for you. Okay, / diagnostic tool for you. If you guys are programming keys and you guys are learning how to program keys, a really basic fundamental tool to use. Okay, you can program keys real easily. I love it. Xtool is a really good key programmer for people that are starting up and learning how to program keys, really basic and fun. However, like I said, if you guys are leaning more towards European programming keys, okay, like BMW, Volkswagen, Audi, anything like that, you want to do more advanced programming on the Autel IM608 XP 400 Pro, okay, and that's more advanced programming, you guys. If you guys are barely learning and you guys are barely starting up, I recommend you guys lean towards more basic tool like the Xtool IK618, okay, or the Pad 3 SE, or the Auto Pro Pad, okay. So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and hook it up to a BMW. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna do a diagnostic system. We're gonna try out all the cool features, see how we use this tool, and what you can do and you're able to do it on this tool. Okay, you guys. So let's go. All right, guys. So let's go take a look at our special function that we have. We have functions for our instrument cluster. Okay, for ABS bleeding, stop start reset, EGR relearn, gearbox match, gearbox learning, SAS, TPMS. So a lot of this stuff will be compatible with the vehicle. A lot of stuff will not be compatible with the vehicle. So that means that it will function 50-50. Okay, let's take a look at our diagnostic size, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and scan the vehicle, see what faults we get, what codes we get, see if we can clear them. Right now it's just reading the VIN. It's detecting what type of system it has, what year and model this vehicle is. Then we're able to do fast code reading. We're able to read the codes, and then we're gonna clear them up. Okay, you guys. Now they make it really simple for us, and like I said, it's really friendly user, you guys. It's nothing hard. The Autel IM608 Pro is really hard to use and really advanced, you guys. Let me warn you guys, all right? So that's something that I want to let you guys know up ahead. A lot of you new guys just jump into the IM608 Pro and think that it's easy to use, and you guys just leave it stacked there and you guys don't use it. So anyways, you guys, back to this. So you guys can see 2007, all right, X5. Here's all our info. Here's our VIN. Here's our mileage. We're going to go ahead and press OK and continue. All right, you guys. So next step, it's going to take us to our menu to decide what we want to do, all right? And like I said, we're going to go ahead and do fast code reading. We're going to do fast code reading. That's one of the ways we can look at how we're doing, okay? So we're going to do fast code reading and see what codes pop up in the system of this vehicle. And here's our codes, okay? So there's our trouble codes to the left, you guys. If you guys want to search more, you click on the little search icon and it will take you to the web page. So there we are, you guys, on the search engine, okay, Google search engine. And we're looking up the fault code A6CF, and it has something to do with a sensor, okay? And the AC, as you guys can see, there's more info. There's some pictures on images. Okay, we're going to go back, you guys, and that's just a cool little awesome feature that I do like about this key programmer, you guys. So we're going to do a quick code erase, and we're going to erase that check engine light. You guys can see that check engine light's on. We're going to erase it. If the codes, however, are still on this vehicle, the check engine light will still pop up. Okay, so it's telling us to turn off the ignition switch, wait for 5 seconds, and turn it on. Okay, just make sure that the engine is off. Okay, so we're gonna turn it off and turn it back on. Okay, make sure that that our engine is off. Okay, our needles, our gauges are down. Okay, so our accessory mode is turned on and our engine is off. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the fast code reading again. See, so you guys can see it says no fault code, so we successfully erased the code. So whatever codes return back after you have run the vehicle for a certain amount of time, whatever codes have popped back, you will need to fix that issue with the vehicle before you can go ahead and erase the code. It might say that it's current or permanent. That means that the fault is still existing and you have to fix it before you can go ahead and clear everything. So if it's giving you a trouble code for a sensor, you will need to replace that sensor with a new sensor, and then you will be able to erase the code. All right, you guys, so we're automatic diagnosis, and we can check every individual module here, like the DME, the CAS, the EGS, the ABS, the SRS. Okay, and that's, like I said, my favorite function. Now, you guys, there's another code right here that it's showing us. Okay, 5F12, that's current. You guys can see it says current, and that's a brake pad wear or something that has to do with the brake pads. So unless we get that fixed, okay, we're not going to be able to erase it because it does say that it's current. Okay, if it says that it's history, that means that we're able to erase it because it's past of the history, okay? It's not a current code. So current code means that we're not able to erase it until we get that fixed. All right, so we're clearing right now this code that's history. Okay, as you guys can see, there's no fault code, but we were not able to clear the current code, okay, that it was throwing out earlier. Alright, you guys, well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to join our members only club, you guys. If you guys want to have private commenting, if you guys want to join our free giveaways that we have every month, you guys, go ahead, join our members now. From a desktop or a laptop, next to the subscribe button, you will see the join button. Alright, you guys, well, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, you guys, take care.